Anticipation is steadily growing for the highly awaited launch of the Nothing Phone 3, with numerous leaks and speculations generating buzz about its potential features. The rumors suggest a revamped design, upgraded hardware, and even the possibility of a pro version aimed at capturing a broader market. Renowned tipster Tech Nerd, sharing insights on X, has revealed intriguing details about the display and performance aspects of the upcoming device, fueling excitement among tech enthusiasts. According to Tech Nerd, the Nothing Phone 3 could boast an impressive 6.5-inch screen, a size that promises a balanced mix of usability and immersive viewing experience. Driving its performance, the phone is rumored to feature the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, built on an advanced 4nm process, ensuring exceptional speed and efficiency. Interestingly, this contradicts earlier reports speculating on a different chipset, indicating that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 could represent a significant leap forward in processing power for Nothing's flagship. Adding to the intrigue, Tech Nerd mentions that the phone is potentially codenamed Arcanine, a moniker inspired by the beloved Pokemon character, which injects a playful and unique branding element into its identity. Adding to the leaks, there is growing speculation about the introduction of a Pro variant in the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3 series lineup. This potential addition would mark a significant milestone for Nothing, as the company has previously only ventured into Plus versions, such as the Phone 2 and its companion, the Phone 2 Plus. Renowned tech source Tech Nerd suggests that this Pro model might boast a larger form factor featuring an impressive 6.7-inch screen. This enhanced display size could make it particularly appealing to users who prioritize immersive visual experiences, whether for gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Beneath its sleek exterior, the Pro version is rumored to house MediaTek's cutting-edge Dimensity 9040 processor, which is built on an advanced and highly efficient 3nm fabrication process. This next-gen chipset could provide the Pro variant with superior performance capabilities and optimized energy efficiency, setting it apart from the standard model in terms of speed and battery longevity. Adding to the intrigue, the Pro variant is reportedly codenamed Hisuian Arcanine and assigned the model number A059P. These details hint at a powerhouse device that aims to elevate the Nothing Phone series with a bold and significant upgrade. A newly surfaced back design concept image, shared by an enthusiastic user on Reddit, provides an intriguing glimpse into potential aesthetic and functional changes for the upcoming device. The design appears to draw heavily from Nothing's signature design language, which is known for its bold and transparent elements, but with significant updates and refinements that set it apart. One of the most noticeable changes is the reduction in the number of glyph lights, which are reported to have been streamlined to 7 distinct elements. These updated glyphs now include a flash glyph for photography, an essential notification glyph for alerts, a charging glyph to indicate power status, a dedicated recorder light, and a practical flashlight feature, all thoughtfully arranged for functionality and style. This redesign hints at a more polished and purposeful approach, potentially achieving a harmonious balance between utility and a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. The concept also showcases a triple camera unit, featuring a main lens, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens configuration, a setup reminiscent of the advanced camera systems found in Apple's iPhone Pro models. Such an upgrade marks a departure from Nothing's previous devices, which typically featured dual rear cameras, and suggests a shift toward catering to users seeking a more professional-level photographic experience. Additionally, the concept image reveals a charging coil prominently positioned at the center of the back panel, emphasizing wireless charging capabilities as a key feature. On the device's sides, the layout includes a volume rocker strategically placed on the left, while the right side houses the power button alongside an additional button. This extra button could point to new functionalities, such as customizable shortcuts, aimed at enhancing the user experience. Overall, this concept offers a tantalizing preview of what could be a bold step forward for Nothing in both design and functionality. Adding additional confirmation, a recent database leak has unveiled 2 devices listed with the model numbers A059 and A059P, which were identified in the IME database by the tech publication Gizmokina. This discovery aligns with widespread speculation about the naming conventions for the upcoming base and Pro models. The P suffix attached to one of the model numbers might not denote a Pro variant as initially assumed, but could instead signify a Plus version, following Nothing's established naming patterns for past devices. Such findings lend further credence to the idea that 2 distinct versions of the device are currently under development and are likely to debut under the branding of the Nothing Phone 3. Additionally, official teasers regarding the device have subtly emerged within Nothing's promotional materials. For instance, in a recent YouTube video released by the company, a brief segment between timestamps 654 to 657 showcased the device alongside other products, such as the Ear Open earbuds and the OS 3.0 update. This fleeting appearance serves as an indirect yet compelling confirmation that the next generation of Nothing phones is indeed in the pipeline. Moreover, Carl Pei, the CEO of Nothing, has dropped hints about the anticipated launch timeline, suggesting the device will be released in 2025, moving away from earlier projections of a July 2024 launch date. Pei also teased that the device may incorporate artificial intelligence capabilities, signaling the company's potential efforts to enhance personalized user experiences through AI-powered features. When it comes to pricing, industry sources anticipate the standard model to be priced at approximately $599, while the Pro or Plus variant is expected to retail for around $699. With these intriguing possibilities on the horizon, what are your thoughts on the rumored features of the Nothing Phone 3? Share your thoughts in the comments and be sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech news and trends.